Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Tuesday, October 3rd. Time is around 6:45 GMT, and we will have a look at the Dow Jones futures on the Wanda platform. So, as expected, we got our fourth and fifth wave down, so fourth wave up. When we were somewhere here, I told you we could start to reverse, but it looked more that we were missing a fourth wave if we consider this structure here. And so now we indeed had this push up here as a wave 4, and we also took out this low here, so which shows actually a wave 5. So yeah, I would say the Dow Jones is acting as it should act. So what we start to see now is we have divergence here. I told you this might be a reversal sign. So we have now a complete structure and divergence here on the 4 hour. So this might be an indication that we will soon see some kind of upward move in the Dow Jones, and then yeah, we still have to see in a later phase what exactly we get here. Will this be the beginning of a wave 3? So this is our 1, this is our 2. Will this be the beginning of a wave 3? Or will this be a corrective move? And if this is corrective, we can see further downside. So then this become like a WXY structure, and then actually my secondary scenario can play out. But I won't come back on this in this video. If you want to, or if you are interested in the higher time frame, please have a look at my weekend analysis. So divergence here, but it is important to stress that we are still in in a bearish cycle in the higher time frame. So if we look at the daily, we are still here in a bearish cycle. Also in the weekly, we broke this RSI trend line. So in the higher time frame, we are still bearish. That's for sure. However, at some point, excuse me, we need to start reversing, and this might actually be one of these moments that we could reverse. We are in the wave 2 area. Ideally, I would also like to go into this area, the wave C area, which we can find by taking here the length of the wave A, the length of the wave B, and then we should go here into this area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension. So now if we look at the 1 hour as forecasted, we had our wave 4 and wave 5 here. So yeah, we respected the wave 4 area, as you can see. So this here was the wave 4 area. I took the length here of the wave 3, and then I told you we were supposed to go into the area between the 0.382 and the 0.618 FIP extension. That happened. We also had a nice ABC structure from here. We also respected the wave C area. So if we take the length of the wave A, the length of the wave B, then we know that the wave C should go here in the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension. This also happened. And yeah, from there we saw downside. So as the fifth wave now. So if we consider this structure, this does not really look complete to me. So far, we only have 3 swings, 1, 2, 3. Unless, let me have a look at 15 minutes. Unless we have some kind of like a hidden like wave 4, like maybe you could make a case for this, but yeah, this is not really. I mean, yeah, this is not the best wave count like this. I think it's better to count like to to see it like this: 1, 2, 3. We are doing the 4 and a 5 is missing. This is how I should approach it. So then if we have this wave 5, okay, so then it might look like everything is finished. Like we have wave 5 here of wave 5, wave C, wave 2. We're done. Okay, it could play out like this. However, we have to be, or we have to keep in mind, like, okay, this was, I mean, what you have to know is we are still in a bearish cycle. And okay, this can be 5 waves here, but I mean, this 5 waves can still be the wave 1, like this actually. So that we end here like with an ending diagonal deeper into this area. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. It's not because we see 5 waves here that it means it is the end. Like, I think it's worth trying the long position, but I mean, it can still play out like this as a larger wave 5 actually deeper into this area. So this is still something that can happen. However, now I will label it like this from a distribution point of view. It looks quite good. We also have divergence on the 4 hour. Yeah, the only thing I'm missing, like if I look at the other US indices, is that the Nasdaq did not make its wave 5 until now. And so if the Nasdaq is making this wave 5, then yeah, I should also expect more downside in the Dow Jones. So I believe overall we are quite close to finish this downward structure here. We should then see some upside, and then depending on what kind of upside we see, we can expect a new cycle up, then a wave 3 that follows that after this wave 2 here, or something corrective which might then indicate more downside again. But for now, this looks close to complete. We are still in in bearish cycles in the higher time frame, in the weekly, in the daily, but in the 4 hour we start to see divergence. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.